Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today is week 2 of our crochet along. I am so excited. This is coming along beautifully. So this week we're just going to do the top open airy part of the bag. I think it is going to be so much fun. This yarn is real. I just love this hemp yarn. It is a little bit stiffer. I've had some questions on it. It doesn't really stretch a whole lot. It softens as you wash it, but it doesn't have like a ton of stretch to it. So if you're worried about the bag like slinking down to your ankles the longer you use it, it hasn't done that for me, and I've used mine quite a bit. But it is a little scratchy at first, so you kind of have to be able to wash it and give it some wear. And it softens up a lot. So I'm gonna grab my yarn and we're gonna get started. Hi friends, real quick, when you click the link below and join Happily Hooked today, not only are you gaining access to the coolest crochet community on the internet, you're also going to get these ergonomic hooks that I use every single day, and this project bag that I am obsessed with. So make sure you click the link below, subscribe today, and I cannot wait to see you in the community. All right, so we are back with week 2. So we're gonna be starting on round 10. So we've got our chain 2, and we're going to double crochet in the same stitch. And then we are going to chain 1, skip 1, and double crochet in the next stitch. And we're just going to do the chain 1, skip 1, and double crochet for this whole round. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. And then we will just double crochet in the last stitch. And slip stitch these together and chain 2. So there will be a double crochet here and a double crochet here on both sides of that chain. That is okay. That is the way that it is done for this specific pattern that I made. Now for round 11, we're going to just double crochet in every stitch around. So in this chain space, we'll just double crochet around the chain and then double crochet in the top of the double crochets. So chain space, double crochet in the top. And it looks like this. And we're just going to do that all the way around. It's kind of the nice part about this bag is it's pretty much just a repeat of the steps. So you don't have to do anything super duper crazy. It just flows pretty nice, I think. And then we just slip stitch these together and we chain 2, and then we're going to repeat rows 10 and 11 for rows 12, 13, 14, and 15. So for the next 4 rows, we're just going to repeat this until we get to the end. And then once we get done with row 15, I will be right back with you guys. All right, so we are back. We've gone all the way up. So we've got 12, 13, 14, and 15 done. So we are good to go here. So with round 16, I think we're gonna do that in the next video because I have something kind of fun to show you with that one. You can go ahead and just repeat row 10 or round 10 if you want to, which is this gapped stitch here. But I might show you another stitch to use across the top that just might be a fun little like extra. You don't have to do it. It's not how the pattern is written, but I was just thinking about it as I was making it and it might be fun. So yeah, so this is the end of the second part of our crochet along, and it's so pretty. I love this. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.